You can see that we just flushed the lower level toilets coming right here to this Y. As we push forward, it's just water stuff. It takes a second. Once we push forward, right there, that's the floor drain. We're right in the floor drain right there. Just a straight shot. That's the Y there. Like I said, we definitely got it undone, but it's, like I said, it's definitely holding some water. Could be a problem down the road. And since we're here, we'll go down and check your lower level one. Going out to your sewer main. That all looks great. We just ran a lot of water. That's why it's built up and different things. Trying to get through that. Where we drop in the sewer main right there. Like I said, that all looks great.